Alright, this is just a real quick video to show you this Evil Energy muffler from Amazon. It's a 2-inch inlet and 3-inch outlet with the, I don't know what you call that blue tip there, but it's just straight through muffler design. Just like a glass pack, but it looks a little snazzier. Straight through with your fiberglass pack. Okay. Like I said, a 2-inch inlet on this one, 3-inch outlet. There may be other options, but this one specifically is that size. Got really nice welds on it, really nice finish. It's a pretty sweet looking muffler for 40 bucks, I think, somewhere around there. So I'm going to be putting it on my 06 Altima here. It's just the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. You know, I got a Mustang and some other play cars like WRX, but I like having fun with this little Nissan, just a little cheap eBay, Amazon build. We got eBay cold air intake on it. There's a video on that if you want to check it out. Also a cheaper eBay header as well. And so now doing the muffler here. So. Fuck. Well, now I feel like a complete rookie. Although I suppose welding exhausts on the cars, I am a rookie. But this would be 100 times easier with a lift, because this was just a nightmare to try to lay on my side. And yeah, don't look at my horrible weld job. I had intended, this was hung just fine. The reason I welded support on it was because I was trying to push this down away from the bumper, and which I did, but my shitty ass weld, while I was trying to reinforce it, somewhere along the line it broke loose. No thanks to this fucking $100 Harbor Freight, but that thing sucks, man. I weld at work with good Lincoln electric welders, and they're just fantastic. This thing is just a nightmare. It spits and sputters, and it's just horrible. Anyways, it popped up somewhere along the lines. My tack weld broke, and I wasn't paying attention until it was too late. It's touching the bumper, so it looks like trash, but at least it won't, since it's mounted, reinforced. It's not going to sit there and bounce up and down and rattle on it, so as long as it doesn't do that, I guess I don't care. Anyways, there's the muffler on there, so that's what she looks like. I got it pretty much right where I wanted. Gave a little ricer lean on it. Did it on purpose. I'm just having fun with this car. Just basically making fun of it. But it doesn't look too bad. I like it. I intentionally wanted to rice this car out just because it's my beater car. So yeah, there it is. Should have been dropped down about an inch, but oh well. Start it up and see how she sounds. windows are down right now. Death intersection. Usually count to 6. This is with the windows down. Yeah, it's a little bit quieter than when it was straight piped. Alright, then here's with the windows up. Be slightly downhill there for a sec. All I can hear with the windows up is the intake until I lift, then I hear it go vroom a little bit. Let's do a partial throttle out here. If you hear that rattling, it's loose exhaust bolt I gotta tighten up. That's like probably half volume. Let me slow down here because drone was really bad around 15, 16, 17 in town, 45-ish miles an hour. There we go. Oh yeah, there's no drone anymore. It's gone. It wasn't that loud. Straight piped, only down low. Like I said, around 15, 16, 17, it had some drone, and then what I liked it would really start making a real deep sound between 35 and 45, and then it would go quiet again until it hit lift. So it's definitely much more mellow with this muffler on there, even though it's straight through. So here's with that window down. I'm gonna hit that meaty spot mid-range and see. Made a lot of turns like this today. Yeah, it's like half the volume it was, and even straight piped, it pretty much just sounded like a stock car just driving around. Once you were up to speed, it was only down low it was droning, and when you would step on it. So it's pretty mellow, which is that muffler, and it also has the header on it, which made it louder because the header has the pre-cat in it. So when the stock exhaust manifold has the pre-cat, so when I swapped it out for the header, that eliminated that pre-cat. Now it still has a catalytic converter further down the exhaust system, but even taking out that pre-cat in the exhaust manifold by switching to a race header and now basically a glass pack straight through type muffler, it is still not loud at all. It's just really smooth and mellow. I'm getting more sound from the intake than anything. That intake is really aggressive. The camera probably doesn't do it justice, but if you put a glass pack or a cherry bomb or one of these type mufflers where it's a straight through or whatever, you're gonna get a little bit of hum, but it's not gonna be overbearing at all. It's one of the quietest 4-cylinders I've heard with a straight through muffler on it. And that's because this car still has the resonator on it. If you take the resonator off as well, it'll be much louder. So yeah, if you missed that and you're interested in seeing that or whatever, we did cold air intake install on it just to cheapy eBay intake, and we also did probably about a mid-grade header on it, like I was saying, and I think that's about it. So now I got my muffler on there. I think I'm done messing with it. I just wanted to play with it a little bit and just do a few cheap little mods to it, just to make it a little more fun to drive. You know, I got the Mustang, but this is my beater car, and can't stand anything that's stock. So if you want to see the header or intake install video, there's that, and probably gonna be doing a little bit of maintenance on this here coming up too. I think it needs a wheel bearing, probably do brakes next year, and just different things like that. I know it needs a tie rod in. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button for me. Catch you next time.